Step 1. Go out to meet your friends in the park.
Hey, we were waiting for you. Let's play before the sun sets.
Step 2. Play and have fun with your friends. Step 3. It's gonna be late night soon. Get back home.
I had fun today. I'll meet you guys tomorrow.
Take care of yourself, dude.
Step 5. Say hello to your lumberjack neighbor. Step 6. Enter your house.
Hello, Mom.
Hi, honey.
I'm so hungry, Mom.
Dinner will be ready soon.
Step 7. Watch some TV until dinner is cooked.
What are you?
We have just been informed that a psychopathic patient has escaped the Troll Asylum and is roaming the streets of Troll County. The patient experienced a traumatic injury to the head at the hands of none other than the cult of Xerxes. He has lost control of himself since then and can prove to be an extremely dangerous person. He has already brutally murdered several asylum guards. Residents of Troll County are advised to be on high alert until further notice. Some rumors are saying that the cult of Xerxes
Hey honey, we are out of cooking oil. Can you ask the neighbor for some?
Alright, I'll go get some oil.
Step 8. Go to your neighbor's house. Step 9. Knock on the door. Step 10. No one's opening the door. You should knock again.
Wait, the door is actually unlocked. Should I go in?
Step 11. You decide to go in anyway.
Hey uncle, are you in there?
Step 12. Go upstairs.
Step 13. Find the dead body of your neighbor.
Oh my god. Who can do this?
Step 14. You contact the police.
The marks on his neck indicate that he was murdered using his own chainsaw. Furthermore, his chainsaw is now missing. I think that the murderer has escaped with the chainsaw.
Do you think that the troll who escaped the asylum is behind this?
This is possible.
Step 15. You are having a hard time sleeping because of what you saw. Step 16. Just close your eyes and wait for sleep to come. You have school tomorrow. Step 17. Meet your friend at the school.
Hey, where's Derp? I don't see him anywhere.
Oh, you don't know? He really wanted to try that viral pig sauce. Now he is suffering from explosive diarrhea.
Well, that's funny.
We can check up on him after school.
Step 18, check up on your friend. Step 19, knock.
Hey, have you seen Derp?
Oh, he told me he will be back in a while. But it's been 2 hours, he hasn't got home yet.
Step 20, worry about your friend. Step 21, you don't feel like going to school, stay home.
The dead body of a young boy is found at the back street. Reports suggest that he was killed using a chainsaw.
Oh no, that's Derp.
Step 22, hear a strange noise.
Step 23. Realize you are home alone and mom is out. Step 24. Hear the chainsaw.
Step 25, he's inside the house, quickly hide somewhere. Step 26, hide inside the bed. Step 27, don't make a noise.
Step 28. Oh no, he found you.